on did a lot of the programming and individual bits. I helped with the programming, also a little bit of designing, and then Max also did quite a bit of the building.
Well, it's kind of difficult to assign specific jobs because everybody helped with the overall idea, and a lot of people, I mean, everybody pretty much worked on at least a little bit of everything.
And unfortunately, I think it was Maxwell images from before all of our previous ones, and his computer died. Yeah. So I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way, just kind of showing. When we first built this, we had the motors, I don't know if anyone can see, we had the motors kind of lying more flat, and we realized we couldn't get that and fit other stuff on there. So we ended up kind of putting them at an angle so they would actually make contact and wouldn't drag. That was probably the first thing we had. And then after that we noticed that they kind of flopped. So if you push down on this, it'll just kind of go outward and just, I don't know, break off. So we put these braces on. That was kind of the, one of the second things we did? Yeah. Like everyone else, we did the rubber wheel for the back and it wouldn't turn. So we put a gear, which has almost no friction on it, and it actually turns fine. I think we have a video of it turning.
I'm not sure it'll play.
Okay, well, it may or may not play. Put all the sensors on. That was actually probably the easiest bit, deciding the sensors. Sonar goes in front, touch sensor in the back to keep it from breaking anything. The light and sound just went on top. Other than that, I can't really think of anything else.
In the way with turning for the program, we did not put turning in the final products because we didn't really think to. It was in the original, but I decided to write Mario out with sound files, and it took up quite a bit of space. And we deleted most of it because the memory in the brick wasn't big enough to hold the entire program with the sound file in it. And when we took everything off, we didn't think to put the turning back in because it still used everything we needed.
John, you want to explain the basic premise of the program?
What the program is at first it starts off with the Mario thing in a loop. So once we cover the light sensor, it'll cease that program or cease that loop and move on to the next loop, which is our sound sensor, and it'll play a sonar sound until it gets a certain level of sound. I can't remember the dB.
Like
70 until like we clap or something. Moves on to the next one, which is go forward until it reaches. It'll keep on going forward until it reaches the sonic sensor, and once it reaches that, it goes back until it touches something. Simple.
And then try the video. See if it works. No. Yes. Maybe. No. Okay. That wasn't that good anyway. All right. So we'll just.
You could speak to it.
Come on.
Just blow on it. The decimal count's a little too high.
There we go.
Whoa. One of our motors just spin faster than the
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
So-
That's it.
One more time, just
One more time?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't break.
Might have to redo that design.
Alright, so I guess we do have a problem with one of the motors. So,
We did not have that problem
Yeah,
at all when we ran it before.
we're just having such luck with this presentation, I don't know if you can tell.
Okay, any question?
At all?